Exploring the Tower of Babel within the context of technological evolution reveals intriguing parallels that resonate with the core themes of human ambition, communication, unity, and divine intervention. Much like the builders of the Tower of Babel aspired to reach the heavens, the trajectory of technological advancements often involves ambiguous goals, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. However, just as the confusion of languages at Babel led to disarray, the evolution of technology introduces new languages, interferences, and communication models, fostering global connectivity while posing challenges in understanding and cooperation. The Tower of Babel narrative emphasizes the fragmentation of human unity, reflecting a duality seen in technological advancements that unite people globally but can also create divisions based on access, knowledge, and ethical considerations. Just as divine intervention shaped the outcome at Babel, the ethical considerations, regulations, societal responses, and technological realm play a pivotal role in directing the path of innovation.